Staying on top of leads, especially from multiple sources, can be tricky. But the Houzz Pro CRM and Gmail extension makes it easy to create and manage leads directly from your inbox. Just install the extension. Then whenever you receive an inquiry via email, you can create a new lead directly from the sidebar in Gmail. Then you can add and edit details and add internal notes without ever leaving your inbox. Templates you can create and save help you respond quickly and move your lead to the next stage. It's all instantly pushed to Houzz Pro, where you can see every lead in your pipeline, so you know what stage it's in and what to do next. Every email message, whether from a lead or a client, is captured in Houzz Pro, so you can see your message history at any time. Images and attachments import too, putting everything right at your fingertips. So simplify your lead management today with the Houzz Pro Gmail extension and start responding faster, staying organized, and turning more leads into jobs.